The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. It starts with 0 and 1, and the sequence continues indefinitely. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, and so on. This mathematical concept holds significant importance in various fields, including mathematics, science, art, and even nature. Importance in mathematics. The Fibonacci sequence is a fundamental concept in number theory and has numerous mathematical properties and relationships. It exhibits intriguing patterns and connections to other mathematical concepts. For instance, the ratio of consecutive Fibonacci numbers approaches the golden ratio, approximately 1.618, which has its own mathematical and aesthetic significance. Importance in science. The Fibonacci sequence and its related properties appear in various scientific phenomena, reflecting the underlying mathematical principles in nature. Here are a few examples. Flower petals. The number of petals in many flowers often follows a Fibonacci sequence or a number closely related to it. For example, lilies typically have 3 petals, buttercups have 5, delphiniums have 8, and daisies have 34, all numbers found in the Fibonacci sequence. Seed heads and pine cones. The arrangement of seeds in the seed heads of sunflowers, pine cones, and other plants often follows the Fibonacci pattern. The seeds are arranged in spirals, with the number of spirals being 2 consecutive Fibonacci numbers. This pattern allows efficient packing of seeds and optimal exposure to sunlight. Tree branching. The way branches form on trees can often be observed to follow Fibonacci patterns. For example, a tree trunk typically splits into 2 main branches, then each of those branches splits into 2 more, and so on. The branching pattern helps in maximizing the distribution of nutrients and sunlight. Shell spirals. Some shells, such as the nautilus, exhibit spiral patterns that correspond to Fibonacci spirals. The growth of the shell follows a logarithmic spiral, with the proportions based on Fibonacci ratios. Importance in art and design. The Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio are frequently used in art, design, and architecture. The proportion and aesthetics derived from these mathematical concepts are often considered visually pleasing. Artists, architects, and designers incorporate Fibonacci-based compositions, ratios, and spirals to create harmonious and balanced designs. In conclusion, the Fibonacci sequence is not only a mathematical curiosity but also a reflection of natural patterns and proportions found in various aspects of the world around us. Its presence in nature highlights the interconnectedness of mathematics and the physical world, demonstrating the intrinsic beauty and order in both realms.